Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I just want to say this is not at all how I planned for my spring break vlog to begin. I am currently in Miami for like the first time in I don't even know how many years. I think the last time I've been here was like when I was like 16. Originally, I planned to go to New Orleans for spring break. I am supposed to be in New Orleans right now with my mom. If you follow me on TikTok, then you guys definitely know like how I ended up here. If you don't, I'm gonna insert some of those TikToks right now. My flight was canceled. I'm still going on my trip, but basically they changed like the whole plan and timing of all the flights. I was supposed to have a flight leaving at 9 a.m. and it was gonna be from Boston to Washington, D.C., which was gonna arrive like around 12-ish, I think. And then from Washington to New Orleans, and we were gonna be in New Orleans by like 2:45 p.m. But now they changed it. I'm not sure if it's because of the weather. It is very rainy and windy outside, but now they changed it so that my flight is at 1 p.m. It's going to Miami. I'm going to be there for 2 hours. I think it gets there like around 4 p.m. And then from Miami to New Orleans. So I basically just woke up early for nothing. I'm going back to sleep. Okay, so update. I look crazy right now. It has literally been the most frustrating day of traveling. I got off my flight from Boston to Miami, which if you guys watched my Get Ready With Me video, that was supposed to be a 9 a.m. to like 12 p.m. flight from Boston to Washington, D.C. That was my connection flight for my mom and I to get to New Orleans. Then they changed it to a 1 p.m. flight from Boston to Miami. And then after we got off here in Miami, we were supposed to go on another flight to New Orleans. So we land in Miami, and the second we land, we get a text saying that they canceled our flight to New Orleans. I don't know what's going on with American Airlines, but our flight to New Orleans got canceled until tomorrow at 5 p.m. So we obviously went to the customer service desk after we got off our flight to hopefully get more information. My mom is still waiting in the line. But I thought while my mom waits in the line, I need to go see if they release my luggage. Given that my next flight is canceled, I would assume that they still gave me my luggage. They're not giving me my luggage. No, they said that they are holding it until the rebook time, even though I need all my stuff. I'm literally standing here. I look fucking ridiculous with nothing on me. I'm literally like, I don't have anything. Like, I need my luggage for tomorrow. Like, how are you guys gonna hold it? He then proceeds to tell me that if I like want to ask about my luggage or ask for my luggage, that I need to go back, or that I can go back to the customer service desk that I was just at with my mom, and she's still there. I don't know why he would tell me that, given that I am already at baggage claim, meaning I cannot go back to that customer service desk because that's where all the gates are, meaning that's past security. I've just gotten off a flight, and I obviously can't go through security again without another existing flight that I have coming up next. So now I have no way of going back to the customer service desk to ask about my luggage. My mom is obviously there, so she's gonna have to like figure that out. Also, please don't mind these marks. This is all from like carrying my bags and stuff, like my carry-on bag. But I don't have my luggage, so moral of the story is American Airlines sucks, and we're stranded in Miami unless we can find a flight to New Orleans for tonight, but I highly doubt it. we are just gonna have to like get a hotel. I'm hoping they reimburse us or something. But we are basically ending up here in Miami until tomorrow because they changed our connection flights twice and they canceled our actual flight to New Orleans, and now they don't want to give me my luggage, so I'll keep you guys updated. So yeah, that is basically everything that happened. I thought it would just be easier if I put the TikToks in there to explain everything, but long story short, I was supposed to go to New Orleans today. My mom and I are still going, but our flight got moved to tomorrow. Literally, as soon as we touched down here in Miami, we got another text that our flight to New Orleans from here got canceled. I feel kind of better now, like I've kind of calmed down at this point. I'm kind of just over it, but I don't have my luggage. Unfortunately, they have to hold my luggage for like the New Orleans flight because I wasn't even gonna have to get like my luggage after the connection flight. It was just gonna go straight onto the New Orleans flight, and so they basically have to hold it until that flight. So I don't have luggage until tomorrow evening, but it's fine because luckily I always pack like an extra outfit and some like extra essentials in my carry-on. I honestly can't stress enough how important it is that you guys do that if you travel a lot, because I'm sure things like this happen all the time. I was just a little extra frustrated because it's the first time that like, you know, an airline has kind of mishandled my luggage. It's never happened to me before. I'm just glad that I came really prepared with my carry-on, and luckily I have enough to get me through until tomorrow. But as you guys can see, we are in a hotel that we booked last minute. This is actually our favorite hotel here in Miami, and I can give you guys a little tour, but right now we're actually gonna go and get something to eat because my mom and I are starving. We literally haven't eaten since the flight here. So we're basically in Miami for 24 hours. I, again, didn't expect to start my spring break vlog like this. I was supposed to be in New Orleans, which I still am going, but I guess now that this has happened, why not do a little 24 hours in Miami? So I hope you guys enjoy this like super spontaneous vlog. I feel like it's probably gonna be all over the place, but it'll be kind of fun. So yeah, we're gonna go out to dinner because we're starving. I also need to buy a bikini for the beach tomorrow because we really want to go, but unfortunately a bikini is the only thing I didn't pack in my carry-on for like extra clothes. So we might stop at like a little gift shop, and once we get back I will give you guys like a tour of the room because it's actually so cute. But yeah, we need to get going because I'm starving. We just ate dinner and we feel so much better. I devoured that burger. I needed that so bad. But we decided that we're gonna go take a little night walk
in Miami.
I'm out here in Miami looking for the hoochie daddies. We're back from dinner and I want to give you guys a little tour of the hotel room because it is so nice. Kind of makes me sad that we're only staying here for a night. This is my favorite hotel in Miami. It's called the Metropole Suite. We have a little mirror here when you enter, and then this huge plant. I honestly love like the interior design in here and the decoration. You guys can see there's some really cool art in the bedroom, which I'll show you guys, but we have a little dining area, this super cool lamp, living space, the kitchen. Obviously not going to be using any of this since we had to book this last minute, but it's still so nice. Here is the bedroom. I think it's so cute. I love the art that they add everywhere. I think it adds such a cool vibe. And then we have a little TV. Bathroom is here in the bedroom. Super nice shower. Toilet, obviously, and then the sink. And then over here we have a closet, a really big closet, and the door also has a mirror. So that is the little tour of the room. I think it's so cute, even though we're not going to be using any of the stuff in here, but we're about to go make a little CVS run just because we have some toiletries that we don't have since I was not able to get my luggage. Just some random things like toothpaste, some sunscreen for tomorrow because I think we do want to try and go to the beach like in the morning. Also, we tried stopping at like a couple of like random gift shops to see if I can buy a bathing suit because I don't think I packed one in my carry-on, but unfortunately they're all like closed, so I'm probably just going to try and go and buy a bathing suit first thing in the morning because I want to take advantage of actually being here just for a day and go to the beach. Yeah, we're just like getting our stuff unpacked. We have to make a CVS run, which we're gonna do right now. Good morning, guys. Today's Monday and it's really early right now. It's like around 7:30 in the morning because we have to check out at like 11. We wanna try and go to the beach, but first we have to go like to one of like the little local gift shops or whatever so that I can buy a bikini because I don't have one. So that is what we are getting ready for now. Literally wearing the most random like clothes right now. Just the Skims tank and then these like flared jeans. These slides are the only like sandal type shoes I have from VS Pink because the only other shoes I have are my Uggs, which are way too warm to wear, and then I have like these wedged heels, which I'm obviously not gonna walk around in right now, but these little sunglasses on. The only type of makeup I had was like this NYX lip liner in my bag, so I put some on just to make me look a little bit more alive. I feel like these jeans will actually be cute as like a cover up for whatever bikini I get if I get one, but yeah, this is the OOTD, at least for like breakfast in the beach and stuff. I'm probably gonna switch into some sweats right here for the airport with the same top, but yeah. We're actually gonna go eat breakfast first instead of going to the gift shop first because the gift shops don't open until like 9 a.m. and it's about to be 8. So we figured if we go eat breakfast first because all the restaurants are open early, and then hopefully I can find a bikini in time. Feel a little bit rushed because we have to check out by 11 and we want to go to the beach and stuff, even though it's close, but like still. I think we're gonna check if we can check out a little bit late, like if there's no one like that needs the room after us. Stopped at a gift shop and I ended up finding this bikini. It's actually so cute. I love the little pearl detailing. It kind of matches my earrings. Obviously you guys can't see the bottoms because I put on jeans just as a cover up for now, but got a bikini, so we're gonna go to the beach. Checking out so we can go to the airport soon.